Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video is we are trying to repair some stuff. This is a try to repair stuff. I got some things from my friends to repair, and I also want to share with you the process that I encountered doing this. Yeah, so as you can see, I have two things here. One is a remote control car, yeah, SUV, which we will do it later because I'm sure it will take a little bit more time. We have the remote control, we have everything. I don't know if we have battery on it, so might be that we need to charge the battery first. Well, I didn't do this up front. Anyway, and we have here a G-Shock Rangeman watch, yeah, which is a solar powered watch. Actually, it has a cell, yeah, which is an rechargeable battery, actually, yeah, but it's charged by the solar panel inside of the watch, yeah. So this has to be changed, and in case you want to see how to do this, this is the process. The battery that we are changing is CTL1616F cell. Yeah, this is hard to get your hands on. You can buy them from AliExpress or special sites. Yeah, special sites where you can find them. Okay, so let's start with the watch. For this, we have. Let me change the view. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Yeah. Okay. So here we have 4 screws. These are Phillips screws, but are really small. So for this, we will use my really precise and small screwdriver, more destined for repair of phones and tablets and stuff that have really small screws. So we will need Phillips, small Phillips like this one. And let's see if we are able to remove the back plate. Yeah. And yes, yeah. So we have 1, 2. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. If not, you can pinch to zoom on the image. Okay, so now we can remove the back plate. So let's put it with the part upwards. You see we have a gasket, a special gasket over here that needs to sit perfectly on this frame here. Yeah. Then we have somehow to remove this rubber part over here, like so, yeah. And here we have the actual cell. So in order to remove this cell, we have to pinch here. There is a release mechanism over here So over here, hopefully you can see this. Yeah, but for this we need something really sharp, like a needle. Let me see if I have something here. Okay. And here we'll introduce this needle and make a lever, yeah, and this will bring up the door that keeps the cell inside, yeah. And now we can remove the battery like so. And yes, it's a CTL1616, also from Panasonic. And let's put the new one inside, like this. And it clicked, yeah. So be careful, there are some springs over here. So let's put everything back together. So when you put this rubber part over here, be careful to have the springs outside. Yeah, they have to make contact with those contacts over here. And also they have to hook under this oops. They have to hook under these hooks, yeah, over here. So unfortunately I have to put it down. Like so. So I will need to invest in a zoom camera just to zoom in on what I'm doing here. But nevertheless, take a look here. There are some metal hooks that need to go over this silicone over here, yeah? So this is what I've done. Okay, so we have the gasket already in place. So this was kept here. We have the contacts, and now we can put this back. And press it back, okay. And let's put now the screws and screw everything back together. one here, another one over here. Okay, so just for you to know, yeah, I'm not here, I don't have an official workshop or something. I'm not repairing stuff for money, or it's just a hobby for me. As I said in other videos, I'm an engineer, but not working as an engineer, and I love repairing stuff. So for me, to see something that might be in the trash bin restored, it's a joy. I don't want to fill the landfills with stuff, but actually giving them another chance, yeah, or another life. And we have power. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, it works. Needs to be set. It's now, I don't know, it's not 12 o'clock, it's actually 4:15. Yeah, but this can be done on a different it will not be done on this video, yeah, that's for sure. Good. So first thing done. Easy fix. Let's put our tools back into their proper place, otherwise we cannot find them anymore later, huh? And let's go to the next, and the thing that I wanted to resolve the most, and this is this toy car remote control. So let me bring also the remote control. Okay, so this is the remote control, yeah. This is the go further, forward, and this is steering, yeah. So I'm sure we have batteries, yeah. Let's see. Sorry, let's see if we have power in them. Let's make sure at least this, yeah. Like so. So 2 volts, yeah. So first one 1.58, this is good. 5.8, good. 1.58, good. And this should be good as well, yeah. Exactly the same, good. So all these batteries are fine. The remote control should be fine. Let's put them back together. Like so. And here and here. Good. We also have here something. Off and on. We have a LED. Yeah, you see? Yeah. Let's see. Throttle, nothing. Yeah. I'm sure this has to be powered on somehow. Yeah. So let's remove the casing. How is this? Okay, so this is to charge the battery, yeah. Okay, and we have here on and off. This is on off. Okay, so let's put on. Ah, we have battery. Yeah, we have power. So nothing. Let's see if the steering is working. Yeah. Well, the steering is working. Yeah, but we don't have throttle, or however we have to call it. Yeah. Could be the channels, or no. Okay, I don't know what these buttons are doing. Yeah. Oh, I think this is adjustment, angle adjustment. This button, yeah. So it doesn't have anything to do with the throttle. Okay, let's put this. Good. So this means if we disconnect this battery from here, so this is battery and this is the motor we have here. It's battery and motor, yeah. So if we disconnect the battery, then we should not have power at all. Yeah, it's the same battery powering both the stepper motor for the direction, and the same battery powering on the throttle motor, which is this one, as far as I can see. This has a gear over here, and this is 4x4 as far as I can see. You see the main shaft, over here, and here should be a small wheel, that actuates the motor. Okay. So let's see, this is the battery. This is a 350 milliamp hour battery, 7.4 volts. So let's see the power on this one. But as far as I understood from the owner of this toy, is that he put the battery to be powered, to charge. So there's 8 volts, you can see exactly. So let's put them also here. So the battery is full, no doubts about it. Yeah. So my first question is, either is a problem with this motor over here, or either is a problem with the trigger here of this remote control. That's interesting to see. So what I intend to do is actually the simplest way how to get to this. If we have power to the motor when we actuate this button, that it's clear that this unit over here gives power to the motor, and this is working, and it has something to do with the motor, which I expect is the thing. Otherwise, the problem could be from the receiver or with the transmitter, which is in this case this remote control. Good, so let's see how we can. Well, actually it's simple than this. We can find out, here is the connection for the motor. So if we have here power, let's put this back. Okay. Good. And here is the battery. Let's put it back. Oh, this is still on. Okay. On. Good. So I think I have a connector like this somewhere. Let me search for it. I have it somewhere here. So again, for the people who says, "Oh, you are not referring correctly to that point," and at that point you should say something like that. Yeah, I'm always focusing on what I'm doing over here. Yeah, and for me it's a little bit complicated to focus also on what I'm talking and also on what I'm doing. Therefore, it's a little bit hard for me. English is not my main language, so this is also a struggle. Yeah. So, but you get the sense what I'm doing here. Just not focus on what I'm if I'm telling something correctly, or you got the point. Yeah. Good. So we have the same connector. I have a dummy connector here just to see if we have power on this on these wires. So we are now emulating a motor. Yeah. So let's see how we can do this. So we should have something at the poles of the motor. Yeah. If not, then I don't know. What can I do? What can I say? It's so already I can see some voltage. And let's see. Yeah. So we are pressing. You see? 7.86 volts at the motor connector. But the motor is not spinning. So the problem is inside of the motor or related to the motor itself. Good. This is, for me, I'm really happy because this excludes a problem inside of the receiver or inside of the remote control. Yeah. Okay. So let's close this. Yeah. We can now remove again the battery. Really simple. Now we have to see how we can remove this motor from here. Huh? I'm afraid these are not, or are they screws? Let's see. Looks like some Allen key shape, but it's so small. I don't know. Let's see if I have something similar. Something like this. Let's see. Too big. This is big. Let's try this one. This one is good. Yeah, these are screws. Small screws here. One next to the two. Okay, on the other side, this is the battery holder which we are now removing. 3 and 4. Okay, so the battery holder is out. We can now see more and more the motor over here. Oops. Let's also remove this casing. because it has the same screws. We will put them here. This is a really lightweight plastic. Oh, we have additional ones over here. I think it would have been easier to remove these two ones, but I don't know how to reach them. There. Ah, no. We have them here. One here. And another one over here. Okay, good. With this out of our way, we have more room to play. Yeah. Good. So this is the gearbox, or however you want to call it. Let's see how we can remove this motor from here. And for this, I'm afraid we have to remove the entire gearbox or something, yeah? Unfortunately. Or... Let's see, yeah? Here we have a lot of screws. At least all the screws are the same dimension, so would be really simple to put them back. It's good that not everybody is going to Apple iPhone's way, where they are having a lot of different screw dimensions and you have to keep track of them everywhere. Otherwise you will make a hole through the screen. Okay. Two additional ones here. Maybe it's not needed to remove all of this, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Okay, nice. So there was no need to remove this, only these two over here. Anyway, no problem. We will put them back. Good. So okay, so let's see now if we connect the motor. Let's see if it's something seized, yeah, could be in the rear diff, but you see the rear differential is spinning the spindle, so it's not seized or something, yeah. And also on the front, yeah, also on the front, if you can see, it's spinning the spindle, yeah. It's front differential as well. Okay, good. So we have the motor connected, and let's connect also the battery. This should be enough, yeah. Okay, powering on the remote as well, and let's see. Still nothing, yeah. Good. the problem is still there. Good. Well, it's not good, but at least we have something to work with. Okay, how to disassemble this? Now we still have 2 additional screws over here. Oops, these are bigger, so let's not lose them. These are different. All the others are the same. And another one here. I already can sense that it's coming apart. So let's be careful. Okay. So this is simple. So the motor, it's spinning this flywheel, big flywheel. Inside of the gearbox there is another small flywheel which drives this one. Yeah. And here we have, if you can see, yeah, here we have 2 screws. Let's see how we can remove them. Look how many screws it starts in such a small space. Oh, this is different. This is a bigger bit. Yeah? Let's see. Maybe this one. Yeah? Oh, I think this is way too big. Way too big. Yeah, not this one. For sure, this one. Yes. Ooh, small. Small one. And we have the motor out. And let's see what's going on here. So first of all, let's see if we can put some power over here and try somehow to revive this one. Otherwise, I don't know, we have to buy this type of motor, and this can be bought only from China, from somewhere, yeah, or from the manufacturer of this toy, but nevertheless, I think from AliExpress we can find something, yeah. Good. First of all, let's see if the brushes are producing any current or something. Yeah. So we should see some change in voltage if we put the 2 over here somehow. Hopefully they are making contact. Or are they? I don't know how to keep them here and also have one hand ready. This is completely dead. What's going on with this motor? Okay, let's remember where it says dynamite, it's the negative pole. Let's desolder everything here. Oh, this capacitor was broken. Could this be the problem? Let me know in the comment section below if you know what is this capacitor, what's the role of this capacitor in this schematic. I think it's to filter something, but let me know if you know exactly. And is it really needed here? Does it make a huge change? Anyway, so let's see if we can power the motor from a bench power supply. So we have it here. Let's put it on 7-ish, 6 volts, 6.6. Okay. No. No. Completely dead. Oh. Wants to do something. Okay. So we will need to open this up. I'm afraid we will need to order a new one. But before doing this, let's try. Really interesting, huh? You remember I said the black one was where dynamite was? Yeah? If you can look here, this is the plus. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It's how is it calibrated inside of the gearbox. So let's see if we can open up these tabs. Really small here. So let me make a picture of this if I have to order it. Okay. Let's see if we can disassemble the motor, but I think we have to remove this sticker. Come on. Extraordinary. So I don't have anything so small here to enter here. In order to pry this out. What can we use here? No, these are so big. Let me try with those needles that I used previously. But to be honest, I don't want to bend them. No, doesn't help. Ew. No. Let me know how we can remove this. Da-da-da. Let's see on the microscope what's going on there, because I cannot know exactly what's going on there. Let me change to the microscope. Do we have the microscope? Oh. Okay. The cable was not. Let's focus. So metal is just a little bit, or is it? Yeah. So this should be really easy to remove. Okay, let's try again. But I really need something really small, yeah? Extraordinary. No. Trying to find here a really small screwdriver. Yeah, something like this, like a needle or something. And also in the process to not puncture my thumbs. Yeah? Come on, what's going on here? Yeah, this is really interesting. This can be removed, yes. There's no doubt about it. But this side here is a complete different story. Let's see if we can use something like this. Hopefully I will not cut myself. So I really hope this part is not boring, but yeah, I have to find a solution somehow. And these videos are not scripted, yeah, so I have to find a solution on spot. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we are getting somewhere, yeah? This is nice. Good. Haha. We managed to do this. And here it's something interesting, I think. Look. Let's switch again to the microscope, because here we have something interesting. You see the pins that have to spin on the spindle, yeah, or let's call them brushes, yeah. One of them, more exactly this one, is bended out of shape. It should be somewhere here. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Now I'm trying to put them back into shape. So I don't know what's this. Oops. So I see it's also here. Is this really neat? What's this? Oops. Okay. So I put them as best as I can do. Let me try and put this everything back together and try and see. Here everything looks nice, yeah. Good, let me change. Like so. Click and click. And let's see if we did something here. So we have here plus and here minus, and let's power it up. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, the brushes are not making a firm contact there. So I'm afraid we'll have to order a new motor, because this one is toast. Oh, actually the spindle is not spinning now. What's going on here? Oh, this is seized. What? Okay, it was pushed a little bit. And now it should be fine. Okay, let's try it again. Maybe. And let's remove this. Like so. Let's try it again with the power. This is spinning freely now. Yeah, it's clear. It's clear it's not making a contact here. Because if I push it, I can sense it. Ah, come on. Yeah, I'm afraid I cannot do anything for this motor to revive it. And even if we did something, it's not going to be reliable in time, yeah. So if I push it a little bit, then wants to spin, yeah, I can sense it. It's like vibrating, yeah. But other than this, nothing. Okay, so we have to look. It started. Can you hear it? Yeah, but anyway. It works. Huh? Yeah, but anyway, it will not be reliable. Nevertheless, I can install it and order a new one, and then do the same process again. Yeah. So okay, let's try and put it back together. Anyway, this video is so long, so I will not do the reassembly of this unit on camera. I will do it off camera, but you get the idea. If I start now to reassemble everything back together, it will be a really long video. So yeah, again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I will gladly respond to them. And if you have any suggestions of a video that you like to see, give them, put them also in the comment section below. So I hope you like it, and thank you very much, and see you in the next one. And subscribe. Yeah, bye bye.